My name is Ray Erger, from originally born in Labrador City, Labrador. My power bill originally, what I was running here, was probably around $450, $500 at a peak. Jumped up to over $700 a month in the peak in the winter season. And right now, like I say, I'm not paying a power bill at the moment, just a basic hookup fee. And hopefully it'll bank enough to offset the winter months as well. So very worthwhile. I definitely would recommend solar panels. It's no moving parts, relatively cheap in the scheme of things, and significantly can reduce your power bills once you have your system paid off. As we know, the rates will keep increasing. So the more you can to offset it, especially when you're moving toward a fixed income, stabilizes your life. In New Brunswick, the Greener Home Initiative was a huge piece of the puzzle that convinced me to make the move at this time. An interest-free loan with as well as the information of where to go and how to set it up. That was the major factor. I come through across Solar with the government website as one of the suppliers in the region for hooking up solar. So when I looked at it and what the product was, kind of fit what I wanted in the area, so I said I'll give them a try. Actually, I like their quoting system where they built the system, they come looked at my place and then built the system online where I got to view how it would be set up, where the panels be located, how we can hook into the system, and the responses to any questions I might have. Kind of kept me in comfort feeling of the direction I was going. Right now, I'm very satisfied with the performance. It's outlaid, it's a bit flat on the roof, but that's my doing, my location I picked. I've had more of an angle, more snow runoff would probably help. But I have a larger system, a fairly nice size system. I think it's 20 kilowatt, and I'm very happy with it. I have not had any issues yet to deal with the company. So far, everything is good. I went to the Canada Greener Homes. That's what sparked me to start this process at this time. I probably would have done it eventually. It is, as any government process, pretty complicated going through with different steps and a bit slow. But at the end of the day, they did what they said they'd do, and it worked out well. I have not needed any support so far. Any dealings I've had with the company so far has been positive with quick responses, but I haven't had any maintenance issues or support required yet. You can tell them how much power that you're looking for. They can work with you on that and see what we need for placements of panels to capture it. You have to remember you're not always getting 100% sunlight, so trying to optimize your system to get the best you can, and that's where experts can help you with that transition. I think I see a huge benefit. I can now relatively easy make the leap to go 100% off grid. I have that section in. So if I want to tie in batteries and go partially or 100% off grid, I can always take the next move relatively easy now.